Hi students, good morning to all. Today in this video we are going to discuss a concept called functional programming in C++. In this concept we have three subpoints. Those are functions as objects, and second one functional forms, and third one type inferences. So these are the concepts in functional programming in C++. So let's come to the discussion of functional programming in C++. Before of that, the concept is it is interesting to ask to what degree of traditional programming languages can support functional programming techniques. That means when you are discussing the functional programmings, to that how much the degree of traditional programming languages, their concepts are supporting to the functional programming techniques. For this, the answer is it turns out that the combination of classes, operator overloadings, and templates in C++ provides a surprisingly powerful and flexible support for programming with functions. So, most of these concepts are taken from the traditional programming languages, and they are supporting the functional programming language of C++ with the help of with using functions. So in this manner the traditional programming languaging concepts supporting functional languaging techniques. So when you're discussing the first concept is nothing but functions as objects. In this point we are going to discuss some of the objects which we are declaring in the C++ classes. They are behave as a functions by overloading the operators called parentheses. So what is this concept? What is this? We are just listen here. A C++ class encapsulates an object with a set of operations. So always in C++ we are declaring classes. The classes encapsulates an object. So in the object we have set of operations. With the objects we can do set of operations. But one of the operator we can overload in the application, that is parenthesis. So we can overload number of operators. Among them, we can overload the one of the operator is nothing but parenthesis in the applications. With the help of this operator overloading, we can done by the function definition of the form. Operator parenthesis or parameters are like this. With the help of these forms, we can convert the objects may behave like a functions. So here this point we can use this facility, which facility means the function definition like this operate overloading facility. We can define an object that may be applied, that is such objects that can behave like a function. So with the help of this operator overloading and parenthesis overloading functions, we can use this facility. We can make the object may behave like a function. So what is the concept is an object with the help of these facilities we can make them into behave like a function. So that is the concept of functions as objects. And the next concept is functional forms. The concept behind this one is we already know that's nothing but function composition. So what they are saying according to the concept. Another major element of functional programming is the ability to define functions by composing from other functions. So this concept is nothing but function composition to creating the new functions. So one of the main major element of functional programming is we can define new functions by composing from other functions. That is nothing but function composition. So the use of such higher order functions is severely limited in the conventional languages. So like creating like this new functions is highly severely limited, that means avoided in the conventional languages, and they are indeed one of the distinct characteristics of functional languages. So they are avoided in the conventional or limited in the conventional languages, but it is very needed and one of the distinct characteristics of functional languages. So the major element of functional language is we can define the functions by composing from another functions. So this is the concept of functional forms. Then another point in the functional programming in C++ is type inferences. So what is this concept means? With the help of template. So it is one of the important concept in C++. With the help of templates, we can provide type inferences. So what are the points are there? So the template facility of C++ provides a surprising amount of type inferencing. So with the help of templates in C++, it provides type inferencing. So how is it? For example, consider the polymorphic map function. First, the type of the argument is simply stated to be of some type class T. So just now we are going to define a polymorphic function called max. So in this map function, the arguments type we are going to declare as class T. So here T is nothing but the type of that argument. For that we have an example program, just go through it. So we are just defining a template of class T. So here for any function the type is T. So T max, for this function max of type T, and what are the parameters we are declaring in that function also, it is also of type T. So we are declaring here two variables x and y. The variable x is also of type T and the variable of y is also of type T. So whatever the manipulations we are doing with these variables, they are all belongs to the type T. So here type T means the T may be any data type. So to provide type inferences in C++, we are using a concept called template. With the help of template, we can facilitate C++ for providing type inferences. So this is the concept of functional programming in C++. So what are the points we need to remember? So C++ is one of the functional programming language. So how it is supporting the functional programming languages means with the help of classes and operator overloading, templates with functions, supports the functional programming language for programming. In this concept, we have 3 points. One is functions as objects. So in this concept, some of the objects may behave like functions. And the second point is functional forms. In this point, we have discussed how to create functional compositions. That means creating new functions. Then third one is type inferences. To implement type inferences in C++, it's have a most important concept called templates. With the help of templates, it supports type inferences. C++ supports type inferences. So these are the points we need to remember in the concept of functional programming in C++. Thank you.